My name is Leah Bosworth, and I'm a special ed teacher in Jefferson County Public Schools. I work with mainly high school students in English and social studies. Our school utilizes Google Docs, sheets, slides, and forms for our students and for our staff to help us be able to share information, because the students and teachers can share the documents, edit them in real time, and provide feedback for our students to make changes, corrections, or know that they are on the right path in their learning. The most popular one that we use and create are the Google Docs. As you can see through my screen, I have several that are created for me. I have some that I have downloaded and created for my students, and then my students have been able to share their information and their documents for me to view and receive and provide feedback. On Google Sheets, I also have, this is similar to Excel, and it's very easy to use and manipulate the data when you are creating ones. Most of my Google Sheets come from the Google Forms, which are tools to create assessments, worksheets, course evaluations, exit tickets, diagnostics, and you capture the information in real time. As you can see, some of the Google Forms I have created for my students, and then when you go over to Google Sheets, you can see where those have populated in my Google Sheets. I haven't used Google Slides very much with my students. However, I can see where this is another tool for my students to use to share information with their fellow students and myself. Currently, the ones that I have are just ones that I have downloaded from previous PDs I have attended over the past year. So I just wanted to give you a brief intro into what tools I utilize most in my classroom and for my students to access their content and to specify and differentiate their learning.